In this video, I will show you how to make a brand new poster design in your mobile phone. So let's start this video.
First of all, select a project ratio. Add Creative Project. Click plus to add a rectangle shape. Position and scaling values according to me. Click Edit Shape and see this settings me. Create a duplicate copy of this rectangle. Set the position and scaling values according to me. Click plus icon to add a main object. Set position and scaling values. Set the position values according to me. Change the position of the shape layer. That's good. Click the watch layer and enable the shadow of these. See the setting to me. Click plus icon to add one more rectangle shape layer. Set the position and scaling values. Click Edit Shape and edit the shape layer. Click Color icon to add a color. Make two more duplicate copies of this shape layer. Set the position according to me. Click plus icon to add a PNG as well. See the settings of position and rotation values. Change the position of PNG layer and create a clipping mask. Set the position values. Click to plus icon to add more PNG as well. Click three dots and click flip horizontal. Sets the position values according to me. And create a clipping mask. Sets position and scaling values according to me. Add one more PNG as well. Again, the set of position and scaling values according to me. Click 3 dots to create a clipping mask. Set the position and scaling values. Click plus icon to add a text layer. Change the color of the text layer. Set the position and scaling values. Add one more text layer. See the font name? Set the position values. Click both layer and make a group. Create a duplicate copy of the group layer. Click Edit Group to change the text. Create one more duplicate copy of the text layer. And change the position values and click Edit Group to change the text. Click plus icon to add one more text layer. Change the color and seeing the font name. Add one more text layer and type these texts like me. See this font name. Click the text layer and add an effect named as text spacing. See this settings like me. Add an Apple logo icon. Reduce the size of the PNG and set the position values according to me. Make a duplicate copy of an Apple icon PNG and change position. Add one more text layer. Change the color icon of the text layer. Set the position values according to me. Make some changes a little bit. Make a duplicate copy of the text layer. And change the text. Add one more text layer. See this font name. Set the position and scaling values according to me. Congratulations, your poster are ready. Click arrow icon on the screen and click Export the current frame as PNG. And save it.
If you want to learn anything else related to editing, click on the videos being shown on the screen. I will get that for you. Thanks for watching.